Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Shubham and I'm a professional software engineer working in the field of IT industry. In today's video, we're gonna learn about something which every new coder face in his life, in his coding life. In this video, we're gonna talk about how does a computer understand the programming language which we write there. So please watch the full video and let's get started. When we talk about programming and code, first we have to know about programming languages. So, what is programming languages? Programming languages is nothing but a set of instruction which we give to a system to perform a simple task. For example, if you do want to add two numbers, so first you have to create two variables there, then initialize it, and then if you want to give user input, then you have to write code for it like a scanf function in, and then if you then the printf function for the output, and then you will run the program and it will complete the task. So the question arises like, how does it understand? Does it understand English language? No. Does it understand uh, mathematical languages? No. So to understand this, we have to go back to the 18th century when the first computer was created by the Charles Babbage, who is also known as the father of the computer. As you can see in the picture, it is a big computer having a size of almost one small room. It is a mechanical calculator. The name of this machine is a difference engine and it is used to tabulate polynomial function. So how do they do it? Like they don't have any code. They don't have any knowledge about code. They just have one thing, electricity. Um, Not only for running the machine, they have to they have used it to pass the current throughout the circuit throughout the machine, and if the current is passing, then the code is one which is high voltage, and if no current is not passing, then the code is zero which is low voltage. So to print 5, they have to do it like 101, then they will get 5, and that's how we got binary system, which is also used to print word, which is very complex and time taking, and they have to remember and memorize all of these codes with and carry a manual with them, uh, which is very hard and time taking. So to overcome this problem, scientists named Grace Hooper have invented a machine which we know as compiler, and with the help of this compiler we don't have to remember all the binary codes. You can see the compiler in the image. So what does this compiler do? This compiler saves the location of the codes, and we can retrieve it when we have to call the function, and it will execute the program. And this coding language of the compiler is known as the assembly language. And the first assembly language was Fortran, which was created and developed by the IBM in the year 1957. And after 2 years, Madam Grasshopper has created her own assembly language, COBOL, which is commonly used for financial transaction and business operation. And even today's time, there are a lot of system and computer around the world which is running on COBOL. And even in today's time, there were a lot of job in this domain, and thus we know how the assembly languages was created. And in assembly languages, we need to learn just a few of the code, and in binary language there were a lot of codes, and which is more complex for the scientists to remember and to use. And In the next video, we're gonna see about how the high level languages was created, and why do we need it, and some of the things about the compilers. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and share the video. Thank you.